Isang pasabog at matinding revelasyon ang inihayag ng dating direktor at producer na si Robbie Tarosa. Ayon sa kanya ay hindi umano kasal o ikinasal sina Francis Magalona at Pia Arroyo Magalona. Bago tayo magpatuloy sa video ito, huwag niyong kalimutan pindutin ang subscribe button. Sama niyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo every time na nag-upload tayo ng mga bagong videos. Marami nga ang nawindang at nagulat sa pahayag ng dating direktor. Ayon sa kanya ay matalik niyang kaibigan ng King of Rap na si Francis M. Matatandaan na mayroong isang babaeng lumantad at nagpakilalang siya umano ang dating naging karelasyon ni Francis Magalona, kung saan nagkaroon pa sila ng isang anak, at ito ay si Gail Francesca Rait Magalona, kung saan ang kanyang pangalan ay hango sa pangalan ng yumaong King of Rap. Ayon naman kay Abigail na sinasabing dating nakarelasyon ni Francis M., mahabang panahon umano silang nanahimik at hindi raw nagsalita. Ngayon lamang daw dahil gusto niyang ipaglaban rin ang karapatan ng anak na kinalanin din bilang isang Magalona. Marami naman sa mga netizens ang nag-react tungkol sa kanyang naging paglantad. May mga nagpatutsada sa magina at nakatanggap rin sila ng mga masasakit na salita. Isa na rito ay ang salitang homewrecker dahil nakiapid umano ito sa lalaking kasal at pamilyado at nanira ng pamilya. Awa at simpatya naman ang naging damdamin ng karamihan para kay Pia Magalona. Nagpakamangpil pa raw ito kay Francis M. kahit na niloloko na raw ito. Samantala, isa ang direktor na si Robbie Tarosa sa umano ay hindi na nakapagpigil at sinabing huwag raw masyadong feeling victim si Pia dahil pare-pareho daw nilang alam ang totoo na bago pa man daw pumasok sa buhay ni Francis M. si Abigail ay hiwalay na raw ang mga ito at hindi raw sila kasal. Alam niya raw ang lahat dahil malapit na magkaibigan sila ng yumaong King of Rap at sa kanya daw ito nagkakwento sa tuwing nakikita sila. Ayon pa nga sa kanya, si Pia raw ay kasal pa sa lalaking may apelyadong Lim at nagkaroon pa ito ng 2 anak. Ito ay sina Nicolo at Una. Kaya naman nag-post si Robbie Tarosa sa kanyang account at hamon niya kay Pia na magsalita ito at huwag mag-feeling biktima. Samantala narito ang naturang post ng direktor. Wala kasi tayong divorce sa Pilipinas, but even with kasal, ang tanong, was Kiko married to Pia? No. She was married to another guy with last name Lim and they had a son, Nicolo, and daughter Una. How many of us knew this? Pia, huwag ka magpabiktima. Grabe ka. No one broke up your marriage, dear. You were never married in the Philippines. Okay, mga palangga na magaganda at pogi, here is my Francis Magalona story. I met Francis through Larry Scott, my album producer then in 1992. We ran into Francis at a recording studio owned by Jose Marie Gonzalez, father of both Ana Margarita Gonzalez and Cristina Gonzalez Romualdez. Right away, Kiko and I hit it off. He always went out of his way to say hi to me. A few years later, my ex and I started producing major concerts in the Philippines and Japan. In 1999, if I'm not mistaken, we produced a concert tour for Kiko. Unfortunately, it wasn't a profitable tour and Kiko knew it. This is why he said to me, Rob, part of the construction of my house in Cottonwood Heights subdivision in Antipolo was from you. I will always be grateful for your help. So life went on and we rarely saw each other. But when we did, super kwentuhan kami for hours. Francis loved me and showed it every time we got together. May utang na loob yun. So fast forward to 2007, if I'm not mistaken, I ran into Kiko in Makati. He looked so fresh and glowing. We talked a little about his possession case, then he invited me to go smoke cigars somewhere in Wilson and Green Hills. I don't smoke cigars but I still went to have a few drinks with him. Francis then told me he was done with Pia and left her. He told me he couldn't take it anymore. All the fights and bugbuga nila, itong ugali daw ni Pia nakakasira ng utak. He said he now has peace. A few months later we met again and he mentioned he was with another woman who is totally the opposite sa ugali ni Pia. He's stressed. Ang sarap pala ng ganitong real love, Robski. Yeah, he called me Robski, lol, parang pang-gangster ko yun. Francis and I kept in touch and they vowed to keep everything between us. I never had a chance to meet his girl he loved so much. Maybe one day I will. Both her and Francis love child. Yes, love child because she was conceived by real love. Francis wants the world to know about her. I'm sure he does. So for all you judgmental people that did not know the real story, Francis and Pia were already separated before he got into this amazing relationship. He deserved to experience real love at least once in his lifetime. I knew them both, Pia and Francis. I witnessed bloody fights between them, very destructive and dysfunctional. He told me he only stayed for the kids and he wished he was free. Those were his words. I know Kiko is watching all this and he knows that he wants for his children. All his children. 'Di ba, mga kababayan ko? Ikaw, anong masasabi mo tungkol sa video ito? Dapat nga bang magsalita pa si Pia tungkol sa usaping ito? O dead mo na lang, tutal ay wala na rin namang magbabago at hindi na mabubuhay pa ang King of Rap. Kung kaya't dapat ay tuluyan ng ibaon sa limot ang lahat. Maaari kayong mag-iwan ng inyong komento at opinyon sa ating comment section. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video ito, huwag niyong kalimutan pindutin ang subscribe button. Sama nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo every time na nag-upload tayo ng mga bagong videos.